So this is an unboxing, and here is a big box, okay, and no need to do any stabbing at this bit, at this point. And lots of packing, and more 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 packing. Oh, there's a box in here. Right, and here we have Harley Benton. I've got to open it to see what's going on. Stab, 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 stab. Oh, postman came back. And here we have box, 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 and plastic band. He doesn't want to open this, you know. Okay. It's tearing off the part of the cabinet off, but I don't know why that is. And here it is. And there it is. Wow. Look at that colour. That's really is beautiful. Look at the back. Back's nice. Frets are all good. Let's take these off. Machine heads feel fine. The finish, I think, is faultless. You know, you look at things and you think, well, there's got to be something for 180 quid, that's good, 180 euros, that's got to be wrong, but wow.